Let's learn to create this beautiful designer 3D paper pyramid. Take a rough sheet, it should be thick enough. Now draw a square of 4 by 4 centimeter. And this card will known as master card. Do the cutting of it. Now join the opposite corners together and create a cross. Now take a big A4 sheet and draw the square. Mark the center point and then create a long line here. Now hold it like a diamond shape and mark the edge as shown in the video. Now on the corner of the square, join that marked dot. Now every corner have left and right area. We will be focusing on only on right side, marking half centimeter line and diagonal line to the corners. This is the margin area. Now do the cutting and fold the margin area, the edge which we drawn as an extra support. Now paste the master card in the center and fold the edge. Now you can design the all four sides of pyramid using scale and color of your choice. After done with the designing, it's time to apply glue on the extra edges and join them together. You need to hold it for a while so that it can stick properly. Repeat the same process in all four edges. Now, if you feel like there are few joint gaps, you can fill that using the same colors. Now, your paper pyramid is ready.